Good afternoon, everybody. What are we going to talk about today? Let's talk about storage bins. I was out doing some shopping, stopped at Harbor Freight with a couple friends of mine. It was our tool hunting day, and I came across, they say it's a new item. To me, I hadn't seen it before, these little small storage bins. Let me change the picture. I'll show you what I mean. We'll talk about it, and I'll show you how I put it to use. Okay, so what I came across were these. They're the 4-inch stacking tilt bins made by Storehouse. Says it's a new product. They're $1.99 each, and with the discount of 20%, you get it for about $1.60. So I went ahead and I picked up a few of these and I brought them home. And I like them because you can see through the front and I can see what's in them. Nice clear plastic. They seem to be good quality thickness, and I thought I'd give them a try. Let's go out in the shop. Let me show you how I use these and how I put them together. Okay, so the first issue we all have are the labels usually. They don't come off cleanly, but these did. Actually, I was real surprised. I was real happy about that. So here you can see I'm opening up one, closing it, open, nice thick plastic. I think it's made well. Got the screw holes on the back. You see the one over here on the far right and the one on the left for mounting. You could use magnets, Velcro, but if you've got a workbench, probably work better with screws. You just hang them up, open, close, nice and see-through. Now, this is the interlocking part where you can slide them together, and you can go vertically or horizontally. I'm putting these together vertically, and you can see just like this, they're nice and stable. 1, 2, 3, nice, clean, clear plastic. And there's the holes on the back again. Put a screw on each end, the one in the middle, it'll hold. And there we go. And there's another shot of the front. 1, 2, 3, closed. And so there we go. Now, what am I going to do? Well, temporarily, I'm going to use Velcro, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on the back, and I'm going to stick it to the side of my refrigerator that's out in the garage because it's near a workstation that I have. And for me, I'm going to use this to put sanding discs in, but you can put nuts, bolts, anything out in your shop you want. I think it's a real handy little device. Let's switch back inside and wrap this up. Okay, everybody, so this was kind of like a quick tip video, I suppose, but these are incredibly handy, I think. I'll probably buy more. Besides stacking them vertically or horizontally, I mean, if you put these in a horizontal way, I mean, you can run them all the way along a bench top if you want to. You can also label them. You can do a lot of different things with them that I read in one of the forums besides, just the interlocking. So, good for nuts, bolts, all kinds of things. I'm going to use them for sandpaper discs, but of course it's for whatever you need in your shop. I'm the Home Handyman's Helper. I'm the Wolf. I hope you click subscribe. Keep following us. We will keep bringing you, new tips as we get them, and maybe new deals. For $1.60, 2 thumbs up, Harbor Freight. These are well worth it, I think. Thank you, folks. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.